Want to create eye-catching videos on TikTok? In this fast tutorial, I'll show you how to record, edit, and post your first TikTok like a pro. Open the TikTok app and tap the plus button. Hold the red button to record in real time or upload to choose clips from your gallery. Once you've got your clips, it's time to get creative. Tap Add Sound at the top to search and select a song or sound from TikTok's massive audio library. To make your video stand out, swipe left or tap the filters icon to apply a visual style. After recording, use the editing tools. Want to add text? Tap the text icon. Type your message, choose a style and color, then position it anywhere on the screen. You can even set how long it appears using the Set Duration option. To add fun elements, tap Stickers. Choose emojis, polls, GIFs, or time date labels. Need to cut or trim your video? Tap Adjust Clips to fine-tune the start or end of each segment. You can also control the speed by tapping the speed icon to slow down or speed up the parts of your video. And that's your quick start guide to TikTok video creation. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Tutor for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to master TikTok editing tools next.